Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. If you're in the market for a HT Monaro, we've got this factory 186S manual Monaro coming up this month for auctions. It's finished in the original colour. The car hasn't been restored. It has had a little bit of paint touch-ups over the years. Still got the original trim in it, carpets, it's got logbooks and stuff with it, and it's a good car. It's a very good, solid car. The engine sounds like it's got a bit of a cam in it. It sounds quite healthy. The clutch and gearbox is good. We've actually driven this one for a little way. You can just basically buy this car and leave it exactly the way it is. It doesn't need a restoration, and you could really get away with the paint. There's a few little blemishes in it, but it's all there, and it's a good, solid survivor. So this one comes up this month at Grays Online. If you'd like some more info, shoot us an email to classic@grays.com, or give us a call on 1300 Classic. Or if you'd like to pop down to 131 Main Beach Road, Pinga Bay, you can come and have a look at this car in the flesh for yourself. But a great car, a genuine HT 186 Monaro 4-speed manual, coming up this month at Grays.